Mexican Polvorones Cookie Recipe, where a powdered sugar coating on the cookies resembles snowballs and the addition of pecans, almond flour infuses rich flavors makes this ideal for the festive holiday season. First up, we are talking about pecans, roughly chopped for that divine crunch. Note that no food processors here. We want chunky goodness. Use a knife to chop them down. Keep the pecans chunky to get the bite of it against the melt-in-mouth crumbly cookie texture. Toasting the pecans before chopping them boosts the flavor of it even more. By the way, in place of pecans, you can also use almonds. Talking about almonds, the next ingredient that you need is almond flour. You can use store-bought or simply grind blanched almonds at home, sieve and then use. In place of almond flour, you can also opt for half a teaspoon almond essence. In that case, just add 20 grams additional flour in the recipe. Last but not least, the superstar vanilla extract. Choose a top-notch one as it's the secret behind the cookie's flavor explosion. You can find the one I am using in the description box below. Let us start making the cookies, for which we will be beating the room temperature butter and sugar. Butter should not be melted, it should be stiff and soft enough to slide your finger. I am using icing sugar here, but powdered sugar will also work. Beat them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are mixed well. Just remember to pause and scrape the bowl every now and then for even beating. Next in goes the vanilla and beat that too. Now remember to scrape the bowl before every addition. Dump in the flour and almond flour and beat until just mixed. Fold the toasted and roughly chopped pecans using a spatula, but eventually you will have to form a cohesive dough using clean hands. The dough might feel a bit sticky, but that is okay as we are going to refrigerate it for 20 to 30 minutes, and in that duration the butter will solidify a bit and the dough will come together. After which, first preheat your oven to 350° Fahrenheit or 175° Celsius, and using a standard ice cream scoop or tablespoon measurement, scoop out the cookie dough and roll to form a smooth 1-inch balls. Place them on a baking tray with around 2-inch distance in between. Bake these cookies in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes until the bottom of the cookies are nicely golden brown but the top is still pale. While the cookies are baking, mix powdered sugar with ground cinnamon in a wide mouth bowl. And while the cookies are still warm, dip them into this mixture and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. At first, the cookies might look a bit messy, but it's okay as we are going to coat them for a second time once they are cooled completely in the same powdered sugar cinnamon mixture for even finishing. This double coating enhances the overall appearance, sweetness and cinnamon flavor. It also helps us to hide any cracks that might have developed on these Mexican cookies due to overbaking. So watch our video on Bizcochito's recipe next that shares a similar procedure so you can get to make 2 amazing cookies this holiday season. I'll see you in that video. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.